Hey everyone, today we're diving into the ultimate guide for getting the best sound out of your HyperX Cloud III wireless headset. Whether you're gaming, listening to music, or just chilling, I'll walk you through every tweak you need to make your audio crystal clear and immersive. Software setup. First, let's get the basics right. Install HyperX Ingenuity from the Microsoft Store and make sure to run the latest firmware update. This ensures your headset works at peak performance. While you're in Ingenuity, enable mic monitoring, also called side tone, so you can hear yourself naturally while talking. Don't worry about DTS:X yet. We'll handle spatial audio separately. Spatial audio. For that immersive experience, download DTS Sound Unbound from the Microsoft Store. Activate DTS Headphone X and set it as your default spatial sound format. This is what gives your games and movies that 3D, directional sound that makes you feel like you're in the middle of the action. System configuration. Next, let's tweak your system settings. Right-click the volume icon, go to Sounds, Playback Devices, select your HyperX headset, and open Properties. Under Enhancements, turn off all audio enhancements. Trust me, this avoids conflicts with our EQ. In Spatial Sound, choose DTS Headphone X, then restart your PC so all changes take effect. EQ Profile, all external. Now for the real magic, the EQ. Use Piece or AP Equalizer and start with these values. 50 Hertz plus 2 decibels 100. Hertz minus 1 decibel 1 kilohertz, minus 1 decibel 2 kilohertz, minus 1.5 decibels 4 kilohertz, plus 6.5 decibels 8 kilohertz, minus 1.5 decibels. These adjustments make lows punchy, mids smooth, and highs crisp without harshness. Audio and take levels. Finally, set your left or right volume to 20 and keep the mic volume at 100%, lowering it only if you notice distortion. This balance gives clear voice capture and optimal audio output. And that's it. With these settings, your HyperX Cloud III wireless headset will sound incredible, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just enjoying music. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more audio tips and headset reviews.